Anti-aging makeup. Simple rules for aging skin. The basic idea. The purpose of makeup is to emphasize natural beauty, refresh and at the same time maintain the lightness of the image. The correct texture, light tone of the face and careful correction of defects will help to visually lift the corners of the eyes and adjust the proportions of the face. Pre-makeup care. And moisturizing. A light-tinged moisturizer or makeup base to even out the relief and provide light reflection. Toning fluid. You can replace the foundation with a light fluid that gently evens the tone and does not clog the pores. Sun protection. Apply SPF to prevent pigmentation and dryness. The tone of the face. Choice. Light or medium shade without an orange undertone with a light satin finish. Technique. Apply a thin layer on problem areas. Areas around the nose, chin, forehead. Separate the borders along the contour of the face and along the neckline. It is better to make a control indentation for the natural effect of soft lighting. Face correction and contouring degree. Contouring. Avoid sharp lines. Use a cream or powder concealer with a soft shade for a light relief under the zygomatic bones and along the jawline. Glow. Accentuate the upper points of the face, the upper part of the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, the forehead. Light styling helps to lift the look and visually refreshes the skin. Blush. Choice. Cream or gel blush in delicate peach, pink or coral shades. Application. Apply to the apples of the cheeks. Lightly shade to the temples. Gently model the contour of the face in parallel. Avoid strong lines to keep it natural. Eyes. Base and shadows. Use a base for shadows in light pink, champagne, beige shades. A light shade over the entire submodule of the eyelid visually opens the eye. Eyeliner. A thin arrow along the growth of eyelashes or eyeliner near the growth line, without sharp fangs. On the outer corner, you can add a small corner up to visually lift the look. Eyelashes. Curled mascara on the upper eyelashes will add openness to the eye. Do not overload the lower eyelashes, so that there is no confusion of the look. Lips. Shades. Light pink, coral or nude tones. The glossy finish visually makes the lips look fuller. Technique. Use a pencil for outlines but not too dark. A light accent in the middle of the lips adds a hammer of volume without the effect of recycling. Fixing. A clear spray or light powder with a glow effect on the T-zone to keep makeup in order and reduce shine. The benefits of a rejuvenating approach. Lightness and naturalness. Fewer steps to avoid overloading the skin. Light effect. Light accents relieve fatigue and create a glow effect. Gentle correction. Soft rulers and feathering help to balance the ovals of the face and make the look more open. How to adapt to your age and skin type. For dry skin, choose a more moisturizing base and creamy textures. For oily skin, choose a light fluid base and a loose powder with a minimum layer. If the skin is pigmented, use a light corrective shade under the base to even out the complexion. At the age of 50+, give preference to creamy textures and light shining finishes instead of dense matte cosmetics.